Hey there! Today I'll be unboxing the ASROCK motherboard for my gaming build, and I'll also show you how to install it into an NZXT PC case. This is a budget-friendly motherboard that supports AMD socket AM5 Ryzen CPUs, including the 9000 series, dual-channel DDR5 RAM, and 2.5 gigabit LAN. It also has integrated AMD graphics, USB 3.2 ports, and a bunch of other handy features for a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's start into the unboxing and take a look at how to install this motherboard into the NZXT PC case.